Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unfollow everyone on Instagram that don't follow you back. Alright, the first thing that you need to do here is to open up your Instagram app. Now once you're in here, just go ahead and go to your profile. Alright, at the top you'll see this ones right here, post, followers, and following. Alright, so basically what you're going to want to click or tap here is the following. Alright, from here you should be able to see the list of people that you are currently following. So how do we know that the person isn't following us back? So basically what you're going to want to do here is just tap on this three dots right here, for example. All right, and you're going to want to tap on see shared activity. All right, as you can see here, this account or this person doesn't follow me. So if you want to unfollow this person, just go ahead and tap on that. And as you can see here, the status will be changed. Now you don't follow the person. All right, this account will have the follow icon. And now when you refresh the page, all right, now as you can see, I'm now only following 65 persons. All right, and that's basically it. You're going to want to check on everyone right here to see whether they're following you or not. All right, that's basically it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.